help of Pabbly Connect in Gemini, you can convert the text that you have into speech. Now, with the help of this amazing connection, we have created the automation event inside Pabbly Connect. Let me show you how this event is actually going to help you. Now, I have few of the text that I want to convert as an audio. So, I'm going to enter that text in Google Sheets and you will see I will automatically receive the audio URL in the same spreadsheet within few seconds. So, let me enter the text over here first in front of you. So, my text is right here. We are excited to announce the launch of our latest product designed to make your daily business operations simpler and more effective. Now you can see right over here, I've entered the text. Now according to the text, I want an audio. In front of you, you can see the audio is updated. First, see there is no one else in the spreadsheet. So now I'll open the link of this audio. You will see automatically the audio.
We are excited to announce the launch of our latest product designed to make your daily business operations simpler and more efficient.
Can you see? It is exactly what I want. So this is how we have connected Gemini with Pabbly Connect to convert our text into speech. Now till the end of the video, I will show you how you can create this setup for yourself as well. So let's move on with this amazing automation. Now, how can we create this setup? With the help of Pabbly Connect, I've already told you, if you want to access Pabbly Connect, if you're logging in for the first time, if you're searching Pabbly Connect for the first time, on a new tab, search for pabbly.com/connect, you will come to their landing page. Now, if you are coming here, logging in for the first time on the website, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the 100 free tasks, you can create this setup right away without paying any cost. You can test out how Pabbly Connect's features and other things actually work. And then if you're planning to purchase their yearly or one-time plans, with the help of my code, you can go ahead purchase Pabbly Connect's yearly or one-time plans. You will get the most amazing discounts. Now I'm already a user, so I've logged in inside Pabbly Connect, and then you can see I have already created the workflow template using Pabbly Connect. If you want to access this workflow template directly, you can go ahead in the description section, find the workflow link, go ahead, use the link and start working with this template. Now my trigger is Google Sheets, new or updated spreadsheet row. Over here, to connect Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect, you will receive a webhook URL which you need to copy. Open the spreadsheet that you want to create the connection with. Go to extensions. You will go to add-ons, get add-ons option. You will come to this window on which on the search apps bar, you have to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks and install this application. After installing, go back and refresh the spreadsheet. You will see the option of Pabbly Connect webhooks, from which go to the initial setup option. The dialog box of this initial setup will then appear, which is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. For the webhook URL, I will paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. And the trigger column in my spreadsheet is column A, because as soon as I will enter the text, I want the data should be forwarded towards the URL. So I'll enter column A and click on this submit button. As soon as I've done that, it says setup configured successfully. Now go back. Go to extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then turn on the send on event. You will see a tick mark, that means it's activated. Now whenever you will enter a new text that you want to convert as an audio URL, simply the data will be instantly forwarded using send on event option. In the trigger, recapture the response right here, and it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter a new text over here and check whether my trigger captures the response of the new text. Okay, so let me enter the text and show you. So the text is: Digital Dynamics helps business transform the way they work with smart technology and powerful automation solution. We specialize in AI solutions, business automation, website and application development, and digital transformation services. Our solutions have helped businesses reduce repetitive work, improve productivity, deliver better customer experiences. Whether you are a startup or an established company, we create scalable solutions tailored to your business needs. From automating everyday processes to building intelligent digital systems, our team will help you work smarter and grow faster. With Digital Dynamics, turn your business ideas into efficient, reliable, and future-ready solutions. So I have this huge text that I want to convert as an audio. You will see automatically the response of the same paragraph will be captured in the trigger. This will show Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. I have the text. With the help of Google AI Studio, let's convert the text to speech. Google AI Studio Gemini. Click on this connect option, add new connection. To create the connection, you need to provide the API key. Now to find the API key, directly go towards this hyperlink. You will go to the Gemini's playground section. In the playground section, go towards this get API key section. In get API key section, create the new key from here. After creating, copy, paste it right here, save the connection. Likewise, I have already created the connection which I'll select and move on forward. I have to select the model with the help of which the audio is going to be created, for which I will use Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS. Okay, you can select the model accordingly. Now I have to enter the text that I want to convert as an audio. Now for the data of this field, I am going to map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Add a slash, previous step is going to appear, and this is the text that I want to convert as an audio. So I'll select the data from the previous response, which makes this data mapped in dynamic. Now, whenever a new response will be captured in the previous step of the text that I want to be converted as an audio, automatically that new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. For the voice, we have multiple options. I am going to use the female breezy and clear voice name right over here. So this is the name that I've selected. You can select male or any other type of voice accordingly. For the method, select generate content and click on the save and send test request button. Usually it will take 5 to 15 seconds for the text to be converted as a speech and receiving the file URL. So I'm going to wait. I will let this entire process be completed and then I'll show you the final file URL that I've received for this specific text that we have entered. It will take a bit of time, so I'm going to wait and then I'll show you the kind of response that I have received. It took 10 to 15 seconds for the response to arrive and I have received the file URL. If I'll copy this URL, open it on a new tab, press the enter key, you will see this is the audio, and let's tally the audio with the paragraph. I'll play it from here.
Digital Dynamics helps businesses transform the way they work with smart technology and powerful automation solutions. We specialize in AI solutions, business automation, website and application development, and digital transformation services. Our solutions help businesses reduce repetitive work, improve productivity, and deliver better customer experiences. Whether you are a startup or an established company, we create scalable solutions tailored to your business needs. From automating everyday processes to building intelligent digital systems, our team helps you work smarter and grow faster. With Digital Dynamics, turn your business ideas into efficient, reliable, and future-ready solutions.
So did you see? It actually generated what I wanted. The audio that you heard right now is exactly the text that I've written in my Google Sheets. So as now we have received this file URL, I want this file URL should be added back into the same spreadsheet. Now for that, we are going to set up this action step. For creating the connection, go to the connect option, go to add new connection, sign in with Google. Select the account with the help of which you have created your spreadsheet from the drop down and then give the access of your Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect because this is a safe process and the data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. After creating the connection, first select the spreadsheet where you want to update the audio. So this is my spreadsheet created in the name of text to voice, so I'll select it. Sheet is in the name of sheet 1. For the range, we have the pattern of column name and row index. So the column where I want to update the URL of the audio is column B. So I'm going to enter column B and then I'm going to map the data of the row index in this step right here. Next, it is asking for the value for which I will map the data of the URL that I've received with the audio and then simply I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. You will receive this positive response and you will see automatically the audio has been updated and it's the same audio that we have generated with the help of Gemini. So as now The setup is created. Now, whenever you will enter any text idea in the spreadsheet, automatically you will receive that text as a speech using Gemini and Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any questions or doubts related to this setup, do comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.